We're back with another leg day, and we're starting off with front squats. I've already done a couple of warm-up sets, so we're gonna be doing our working sets. And I did bring this elevated platform. It's a game changer. If you have one while doing front squats, definitely grab it.
1, 2, check, a 1, 2, I'm going in, is that a L? W is still a win. Got it off the muscle, all I know is hustle, all I know is making something out of nothing. What you think this is? I had to hop in the kitchen, I'm really on fire, you know ignite it, yeah. I know some people don't like it, I'm moving with flavor, they probably a bite it, yeah. Trendsetter, being better, I can't take the credit, yeah, wait. Yeah, been on fire, boy, that's flambe. Only time you see my head down is when I'm praying.
All right, so we're moving on to split squats, and my gym fortunately has a split squat machine, but if you guys don't have one, then you could either use a bench, or sometimes they have those stationary like rollers that you could throw your foot up on and do your split squats there. Starting with my left leg.
Turn the only time they wanna see it. Water on me, flow is cold as ice, I'm finna trade, yeah. Serve it to the people, they need hope, there's no delay. The odds against me, back against the wall, my strength beat, yeah. I can't let it break. Everything I've been through, it made me better. Ooh, a little hate, it just made me better. Yeah, been through everything, it just made me better. Yeah, I can't waste the pain, it just made me better. Yeah, working every day.
All right, guys, make sure that you overload with the weight. I added 20 pounds with each set. If it's too easy, definitely go up. So I wanna note that I'm trying to keep my knee in line with my ankle. I'm not doing this or going out too far.
It just made me better. Yeah, I can't waste the pain, it just made me better. Yeah, working every day, it just made me better. Hold up, what they finna say? Tell it to your mammy, it don't matter, I ain't listening anyway. They just mad to see decide to drop, they look like ocean spray.
We're doing a superset right now. We're gonna be doing walking lunges with seated leg extensions. And with this one, I'm gonna focus on putting my leg out a little bit further so it activates more of my hamstrings, which is why I'm going to immediately superset it with leg extensions so that I can activate my quads.
You can get it too if you just work more than you talk today. This what happen when you take your pain and make it motivation. It ain't gonna be easy trying to be a legend. It's the payment. You need execution, not excuses, dog. You gotta face it. They don't want the truth, but if you quit, you don't deserve to make it. What you think they giving greatness out? Now you gotta take it. They don't know the hustle. They confused when they look at you. Till you hit your goals, they all shy, they think you Pikachu. Put your mind to it, you can do it, yeah.
Now over here.
The odds against me. Back against the wall, my strength beat, yeah. I can't let it break.
As you can see with this one, I like to lean back on this leg extension.
Yeah, been through everything, it just made me better. Yeah, I can't waste the pain, it just made me better. Yeah, working every day, it just made me better.
So I'm trying to get to at least 12 reps, so I'm lowering the weight. I moved locations because I was in the way, but I counted last time. I did 20 reps. So 10 one way, 10 back. For the leg extensions. And I don't know if you noticed on the last one, but I kept my feet dorsiflex, or your toes pointed towards ceiling. What? Okay, we're gonna finish off with some calf extensions. Calf raises, not extensions. Wow. You could tell that leg day is taking it out of me. And I don't know if I've said this before, but your blood has a pump, which is your heart, but your lymphatic system doesn't. So doing calves is a great way for pumping that lymph through your body, especially if you have stagnant lymph. So I love to do this, and I'm gonna move on to some dead hangs because I did some exercises that compress my spine, and I wanna decompress with the hanging. Oh my goodness, it's already burning. Okay, so I've been trying to hang for 1 minute at a time for a total of, well, it just depends on the day, but 3 to 5 sets. So either 3 to 5 minutes is the goal. I'm talking a lot. All right, so that wraps up this leg day. As you guys could tell, it was a hard one for me. I don't know what was going on, but definitely felt exhausted. But I pushed through, and I'm so happy that I came to the gym. I appreciate you guys for always checking in and commenting, and I will see you guys next week with another video. Mwah.